Let's take a quick look at the Accela Construct API architecture and how it works. One of the very helpful aspects of developing applications with Accela is the architecture has been very well thought out. No matter which Accela agency you might be developing for, based on the way the platform is structured, you will always only hit one base URI no matter what agency you're working with. Any request that your application sends will include additional details that communicates to the platform which agency that you're trying to target. The platform will then route your request correctly to that customer with no need for you to be concerned with any networking or firewalls or anything like that. Let's take a closer look. So first you'll have your applications, be it mobile or a web application or whatever you might be developing. And that application is going to be communicating with the Accela platform through the API endpoint https://apis.accela.com. And we call this the Accela Civic Platform. Here we host many REST APIs. Currently we're on version 3 of our APIs, which contains about 170 API calls. And very soon we'll be releasing version 4, which contains about 250 API calls and is currently in preview release. The Accela Civic Platform server provides several functions. It provides all the server functions that are necessary to route all the requests and responses. It hosts the Civic and developer portals, which is where you register and maintain your applications, as well as where we host a lot of the documentation and sample code and SDK downloads, things of that nature. There's also an admin portal website, which provides the additional admin features needed for the platform and is mostly used by the agencies. Now, Accela customers can fall into one of two different buckets, Accela hosted and Accela on-premise. Okay? Accela hosted customers are those where Accela maintains the infrastructure for them to use Accela automation. These customers by default have all the necessary setup to immediately start being able to receive requests through the APIs. Accela on-premise customers are those customers who manage their own infrastructure to run Accela automation. In order for them to receive requests through the APIs, it's required for them to install a small program within their DMZ called the Accela Gateway. The Accela Gateway serves as a proxy between the REST APIs and the Accela Automation Application Server and handles all the necessary security aspects of being able to handle that communication through the agency's firewall. Once the customer has the Accela Gateway all set up, they can now then receive requests through the APIs. And that is how the Accela Construct API enables your applications to communicate with any Accela automation customer.